Ndateskhala Orlando Mamelodi Sundowns 1 Kaizer Chiefs 1 game usori jwang tate
wa di results tse o tsona mo go nna a di botse ga gore Kaizer Chiefs e ntshusediche mare nna ke tlo e bolaya molokwana rite ya itse ka boyelo ya idea mo maparadia ka boyelo
usori jwang Chiefs ga draw usori jwang
man ke kula botlhoko a ke ya gore entsware ke bola tutu
no what we win affair
ke no ya go do waya ka boyelo ka bo pata ka seleta wa bon ya wa bon
we out.
I'm very much disappointed.
Yeah.
The result is like
win affair.
Yeah, win. Like I reach more win.
Yes.
I want to return your then we leave everything for higher.
Yes.
Return more to but anyway, like they've been doing good.
Yes.
And then like it's like Oluya Kofil, but I really very proud.
Yes.
So Retika Jego doesn't know like
Yeah.
Return of Pumelela, like yeah, we jabla kwa chinchana.
Yeah.
So Kajebo really said about it tomorrow. Yeah, like but anyway, to Rina, we're disappointed, but at least that 1 point, Eric Relay, because it's one.
Yeah. We talk football. Let's say thank you.
Thank you.